What's up, people? I don't know what I'm gonna do, but we're gonna go fishing later, and I'm gonna show you around. There's our fishing pole. That's our water gun. Those are vegetables and bucket and clothes, and that's the big boy to lock there. And that's my brother.
What? Hey, where's our bait to use? Meat in the fridge. Yeah. Where?
We're gonna go fishing later, which I already told you guys.
They're not going later.
Yes, we are.
They're going right now.
He's my little fat crybaby. Here, these are my sisters. Say hi.
Hi. Hi.
To the viewers.
You're fucking God.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hey, Jet. Jet.
Just watch it.
Look it. You're in the video. You're in the video, Jet. And that's my little baby brother, Jet. McCall just said the P word. I'm not gonna cuss. Okay. Yeah! Stop hitting me, McCall. Okay. Bye-bye. We're done.